For now, I just put the labels in a piece of paper because I have another idea how to organize this better. I'm gonna suggest the owner to buy cabinets. It's not expensive and it's really worth it. And I'm gonna remove that and reuse these boxes for another thing. I'm moving the extra wood, how you say that? The wood that they were using in this house, they remodeled the house, I think last year, and there is extra boxes for the wood pieces. So I'm gonna put in that corner. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, 407 572 4118. Thank you for calling.